Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious beef skewers cooked on a grill. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching guys, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you'll need would be your meat. Of course, today I'm using chuck eye steak, but you can use ribeyes or any other kind of steak that you like. But before I start prepping my meat, let me show you guys my butter fork knife. Guys, I'm telling you, this knife is so pretty. I just love it. I just love it. It cuts meat like butter and the packaging is so pretty. It would be the perfect Christmas gift. So if you want to grab one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description box below. So back to my meat. So using my new butter fork knife, I sliced up my meat into 4 strips, flip that over and cut them into bite-sized chunks. Make sure that you cut your meat to be roughly about the same size because that helps it cook evenly. So once my meat was done being cut up, I transferred it over to a Ziploc bag and I seasoned with some salt, some black pepper, rosemary, chili flakes, paprika, steak seasoning, some minced garlic, about a 1/4 cup of red cooking wine, and some avocado oil. So I gave that a good mix right there in the bag, massaged all that beautiful marinade into my meat, and I set it aside to marinate for at least an hour. So while my meat was marinating, I went ahead and prepped my peppers and my onions. I chopped them up to be roughly about the same size as my meat so that everything cooks evenly. And once that was ready, I began to prepare my skewers. Guys, remember to pre-soak your skewers in water for as long as you possibly can. This is going to help keep it from burning too much on the grill. So this is what it looks like all skewered up, and it's time to head on outside to the grill. I heated up my grill to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and I'll be cooking my skewers for 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes, guys. If you want it to be well done, you might want to cook for 12 to 13 minutes, but 10 minutes was perfect for me. Make sure to flip your meat every 2 to 3 minutes to make sure you get a good char on all sides of it. So this is what it looks like when it's done, guys. It is so good. It smells so good. It has a beautiful char. The veggies are cooked. My meat is perfect and juicy. Oh my gosh, it's time to dig right in. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. I'll see you all on the next video.